If you're using a high-yield savings account, you've already made a smart move. But here's the part most people don't think about. That interest rate isn't yours. It can change tomorrow, and when it does, you don't get a vote. If rates fall, your earnings fall with them. So what do you do if you know you won't need your money for a year or two? You lock it in. Today we're breaking down certificates of deposit, or CDs, and why sometimes the smartest financial move isn't flexibility, it's certainty. High-yield savings accounts are powerful because they're flexible. You can move money in and out whenever you want. But flexibility always comes with a trade-off. With a savings account, the bank controls the rate. If the economy shifts, if the central bank lowers rates, or if competition slows down, your yield drops quietly. A certificate of deposit works differently. It's a contract. You agree not to touch your money for a set period of time. In exchange, the bank guarantees your interest rate for that entire term. Once you open it, the rate is locked. No surprises. Think of a CD like a financial time capsule. You place money inside, you seal it, and the rate stays frozen in time. Even if rates drop next month, even if they drop next year, even if the market shifts completely, your return doesn't move. That's not hype, that's math. Let's bring back Maya and Jordan. Both have $10,000 they don't need for 1 year. Jordan keeps his money in a high-yield savings account, earning 4.5%. 6 months later, rates fall to 3%. By the end of the year, Jordan earns roughly $375. Maya locks her $10,000 into a 12-month CD at 5%. It doesn't matter what the market does. It doesn't matter what the central bank does. At the end of the year, Maya earns $500. That's $125 more. Same money, different order, different result. Now let's be clear, CDs are not magic. They come with one major rule. Your money is locked. If you withdraw early, you usually pay a penalty, often a few months of interest. That's the trade. Certainty in exchange for flexibility. So CDs are not for emergency funds. They're not for unpredictable expenses. They're for money with a clear timeline. A down payment, a wedding, tuition next year, cash that has a job and a deadline. Before opening a CD, ask yourself 3 simple questions. First, do I already have an emergency fund? If not, stop here. Second, exactly when will I need this money back? Match the CD term to the goal. Not longer, not shorter. Third, is the higher rate worth giving up flexibility? Sometimes the premium is small. Sometimes it's meaningful. Be intentional. Now let's solve the biggest objection. What if I don't want all my money locked at once? You build a CD ladder. Instead of putting $10,000 into one long-term CD, you split it. $2,000 into a 1-year CD, $2,000 into a 2-year CD, $2,000 into a 3-year CD, and so on. Each year, one CD matures. You regain access to part of your money. You can spend it, reinvest it, or roll it into a new long-term CD at current rates. This gives you higher average yields, regular liquidity, and reduced timing risk. It's structure, not guesswork. A CD won't make you rich. It won't explode in value. It won't trend on social media. But it will protect your timeline. And sometimes protecting your timeline is the entire game. Certificates of deposit aren't about chasing the highest possible return. They're about locking in progress. Building your financial foundation with certainty isn't slowing you down. It's making sure your progress is permanent. If this helped you understand when locking in a rate makes sense, hit subscribe. Next week, we're shifting from where you store your money to how you protect your life, starting with a simple breakdown of renter's insurance. Until then, learn here, research more, then decide for yourself.